Today, we're going to go over how to create your very own website for free in 2024. Yep, you heard that right. Building a website doesn't have to cost you anything, and you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. So whether you're starting a new business, launching a blog, or you just want a personal space online, I'm going to show you 4 awesome ways to make that happen, all without spending a penny. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really free? What's the catch? Well, there are some limitations, but we'll talk about those as we go along. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which option is best for you and how you can get started right away. So go ahead, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. First things first, why even bother with a website? I get it. We live in the age of social media where everyone's on Instagram, TikTok, or even LinkedIn. But here's the thing. Social media platforms can change, trends can fade, and algorithms can shift. But your website, that's yours. It's a place you control, where you can present your brand, your ideas, and your services exactly the way you want to. Whether you're launching a side hustle, promoting an online course, or you just want a place to share your thoughts, having a website is a no-brainer. All right, so you've decided that you need a website, but where do you start? The 2 essentials for any website are hosting and a domain name. Think of hosting as the home for your website. Just like you need a physical space to live in, your website needs digital space where all its files, images, and content live. This space is provided by a hosting service. Now, there are a ton of hosting providers out there, but the good news is that many platforms offer free hosting, which is what we'll focus on today. Then there's the domain name. This is the address people will type into their browser to visit your site, like google.com, for example, or myamazingblog.com. A custom domain name usually costs a few bucks a year, typically 10 to 12 bucks. But with the free options we're looking at today, your domain name will have a slight twist. It might end with something like wordpress.com or carrd.co instead of just .com. This is part of the trade-off for using free services, but honestly, it's a small price to pay for getting your website online without actually having a price to pay. Option number 4, Wix's free version. If you're looking for a user-friendly website builder that offers plenty of customization without needing any coding skills at all, then Wix's free version is a fantastic choice. The free version of Wix allows you to create a website quickly and easily, making it a great option if you're just starting out or you just need a simple online presence. Wix's drag and drop interface is incredibly intuitive. So you can build your website by simply selecting elements like text, images, and buttons and placing them where you want. The free plan includes hosting and access to a wide range of templates, allowing you to create a visually appealing site even without a budget. Now, there are a few limitations with the free version of Wix. Your site will have a Wix branded domain, and Wix ads will appear on your site. While this isn't ideal for a professional business site, it's perfectly fine if you're launching a personal project or a portfolio or even a simple blog. Another thing to keep in mind is that the free plan comes with 500 megabytes of storage and bandwidth, which is enough for a basic site, but might be limiting if you plan to upload a lot of content. If you find yourself needing more features, such as the ability to remove ads or connect a custom domain, you can always upgrade to one of Wix's premium plans. Wix is particularly well suited for users who want to get online quickly without dealing with the technical aspects of web development. If you need a no-fuss way to create a website, the free version of Wix is definitely worth considering. Now, if you want to get started with Wix, just click the link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here, where you can go ahead and get started with Wix for free. Next up is Carrd. And let me tell you, this platform is a gem for creating quick, clean, and simple websites. If you're looking for a simple way to get a website online, especially if it's just a landing page or a portfolio, Carrd is where it's at. Carrd specializes in one-page websites, which are perfect if you don't need a lot of bells and whistles. You start by choosing from a variety of stylish templates, and then you can customize everything from colors to fonts to images. The drag and drop interface means that you can see changes in real time, making the whole process pretty seamless. One of the things I love about Carrd is how quickly you can go from zero to a live website. Seriously, you can have your site up and running in under 30 minutes. Even if you've never built a website before, the free plan gives you a domain that ends in carrd.co. But like with WordPress, you can always upgrade to connect a custom domain if you want a more polished look. Now, if you're ready to take your Carrd site to the next level, then upgrading to Carrd Pro is a fantastic option. Starting at just $19 per year, Carrd Pro unlocks a ton of powerful features that can really enhance your site's functionality and appearance. Now, there are a couple different levels of Carrd Pro, but with Carrd Pro, you can connect custom domains, giving your site a more professional look by ditching the default carrd.co URL. This also includes SSL support to ensure that your site is secure. You'll also get to add custom custom code and third-party widgets, which means you can integrate services like Gumroad, Typeform, or even embed videos and galleries. If you're running multiple projects, Carrd Pro allows you to build and publish up to 25 sites under one account, depending on your plan. Beyond that, Pro users can take advantage of higher quality images, larger file uploads, up to 64 megabytes for videos, and custom icons to make your site stand out even more. You'll also get access to premium templates, giving you a great starting point for professional looking designs. So whether you're after basic features or you're looking for some more advanced options, Carrd Pro delivers a robust experience for a very affordable price. And you can even try it free for 7 days to see if it fits your needs. So if you're after simplicity and speed with the option to scale up, Carrd, and especially Carrd Pro, is a top contender for sure. If you want to get started with Carrd, be sure to click the link down in the description. Moving on to our third option, or our second best option, Canva. Now, Canva might surprise some of you because it's primarily known as a design tool, but it's also an incredibly powerful platform for building websites, especially if you want something visually stunning. Canva's website builder is perfect for those of you who are already using Canva for social media posts, presentations, or any other design projects. The interface is drag and drop, making it super intuitive, even if you're not tech savvy. You can choose from hundreds of templates that are fully customizable. One of the biggest advantages to using Canva is that everything you need for your brand can be created and stored in one place. This makes it easier to keep your branding consistent across all of your platforms. The free plan gives you a solid selection of templates and elements, but if you want to access the premium designs, photos, and features, then you might want to consider upgrading to Canva Pro. Even with the free version, publishing your website is as simple as clicking a button, and your site will be live in no time. Your domain will include canva.com at the end, but honestly, for a free site with such a professional look, it's a great trade-off. To get started with Canva, click the link down in the description below. WordPress is one of the most popular platforms for creating websites, and for good reason. It's been around for years, powering over 40% of all websites on the internet. Whether you want to start a blog, create a portfolio, or build a simple business site, WordPress has you covered. Now, there are two versions of WordPress. There's WordPress.com and WordPress.org. For today, we're talking about WordPress.com, which offers a free plan that includes hosting and a domain. What's cool about WordPress is its flexibility. You can start with a basic site, and as your needs grow, expand it with plugins for almost anything you can imagine. But here's the catch. With the free plan, your domain will look something like yourname.wordpress.com. It's not as clean as a custom domain, but if you're just getting started, it's more than enough to get your feet wet. And if you ever feel the need to upgrade, WordPress makes it super easy to do so. Plus, their interface is user-friendly, especially for beginners. If you're serious about blogging or you want to build a content-heavy site, WordPress is a fantastic option. It's robust, versatile, and has a huge community, so you'll never be short of tutorials or support when you need it. WordPress is super versatile, and it's a great option to get started for free. And when you're ready, you can upgrade to Bluehost or Hostinger for more robust hosting options. We highly recommend these two as they both support WordPress and offer excellent features for growing your website. Now, if you wanted to get started with Hostinger, all you need to do is click the link down in the description next to Hostinger. That's going to bring you to this page right here, where, as you can see, you can get started for as low as $2.99. Just click on Start Now, and then you can go ahead and browse through Hostinger's 3 different plans. They have the Premium, the Business, and the Cloud Startup. But if you're watching this video on how to create a website for free, you're probably going to look at the cheapest option, which is the Premium plan at just $2.99 per month, which is an insane deal. So from here, just click on Choose Your Plan, and that's going to bring you to the checkout page here. Now, from here, there's only a couple more things you need to do, but pay attention. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and select your term. For this example, we're just going to go ahead and select a 12-month term. And then the last thing you're going to want to do here is click on Have a Coupon Code. And here, just type in My First Website, click Apply, and there you go. We're going to get an even bigger discount. So for $32.29, you're going to get an entire year of professional web hosting through Hostinger to host your WordPress website. If you want to get started with Hostinger, be sure to click the link down in the description and use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout. Now, if you want to go the Bluehost route, that is another great option. We have a link for that as well. And this is going to get you even cheaper pricing. Right now with Bluehost, you can get started for as low as $1.99 per month, which is insane. So that's their basic plan. So if you want to get started with Bluehost for your WordPress website, be sure to click the link down in the description. Now, before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to an incredible tool that can elevate your website building experience, no matter which platform you choose. And that's Kittl. Kittl is an AI-powered design platform that makes it effortless to create beautiful, professional quality landing pages and other design elements for your website. With Kittl, you have access to thousands of ready-to-use templates, a vast library of illustrations, illustrations, fonts, photos, and icons all right at your fingertips. The platform's intuitive drag and drop interface lets you customize these templates to perfectly match your brand's style. What's great is that Kittl operates entirely in your browser, no downloads required. This means you can quickly create and export your designs directly into any website builder that you're using. Give Kittl a try for free and see how it can transform your website into something truly special. Just click the link down in the description to get started with Kittl. So there you have it, 4 fantastic ways to create a website for free in 2024. We've covered WordPress, the go-to for bloggers and content creators. Carrd, which is perfect for simple one-page websites. Canva, the designer's dream for beautiful branded sites. And Wix, which is extremely easy to get started with. So whether you're building a site to land your dream job, attract more customers, or have a space online that's all yours, these options will help you get there. So if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. In fact, when you use them, you're going to get the best pricing possible. Now, these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos dedicated to helping you create your first website and other web design and development videos as well. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.